Hey y'all, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have a 1966 Ford Mustang. This is a real C-Code car, V8 car with some great upgrades. It is a fastback, original fastback car. Their motor is a 289 bored and stroke to a 331 cubic inch setup here. You got power steering, you got power disc brakes, meaning all 4 disc brakes, upgraded vintage air conditioning, upgraded aluminum radiator, along with a Sniper EFI electronic fuel injection system. Fully loaded, guys. These Mustangs don't come fully loaded. This one does. Great body on the outside. Now, there is a little ding here that if you can see, we will straighten that out, okay? But that happened here. Excellent chrome on the car, guys. Front bumper, front grille, hood scoop is nice. You got brand new US mag wheels. As you can see, the Willwood set up for the power disc in the front. Vented windows on the 66. Nice chrome, nice trim, nice rubber. The rear here, also US mag with the power disc in the back too. Very clean car all around. Trunk is very solid on the car, guys. As you can see there, 331 stroked, dual exhaust. Nice paint all around, guys. Really clean interior. It does have a back seat. This is the option with the 2+2 with the fold-down back seats. Yes, it does have a 5-speed manual transmission. There's your Sniper setup right there on the electronic fuel injection. And you got your Dunkin' Donuts cup holders there. But really clean in and out, guys. Doors close really nice. There's the whole stance on the car. Almost the last time you've seen one of these, guys, with power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, and vintage air conditioning. On top of that, Sniper fuel injection system. Interior, like I said, super clean, very nice. You know, check out this easy start. Listen to this. Woo-hoo! Yeah. There's your 5-speed right there. Snap, crackle, and pop, baby. Well, there you have it here at MGM Classic Cars. A 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback. Real C-Code car, 331 stroke motor. 5-speed manual transmission with power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, vintage air conditioning, and the Sniper electronic fuel injection system. Underneath is super clean. Trunk is clean, guys. Everything about this car is nice and really ready for the new owner as she sits right now. So go get a pen. I will give you my phone number for delivery and financing options. A little bit about MGM. I've been in this business for 25 years. Coming up. So this was a hard find. We got lucky to get this car, I'll be honest with you. We got real lucky to find this car. If you need financing, please go to my websites at mgmclassiccars.com, upper right-hand corner. Click the Finance tab, guys, and you'll be able to fill out that credit application. But keep one thing in mind. Before you fill out that credit application, let's make sure that this Mustang is still available. So if you have that pen handy, text me or call me. Text is quicker. You'll get a quicker response. My number is 847-848-1850. And if you need delivery, just text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote right away as well. Okay? We're 25 minutes from the Chicago O'Hare Airport. If you guys wanted to fly in and check out the car yourself, it's not a problem. We do welcome walk-ins here Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. We could stay later on Saturdays if appointments are made. All right. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. I got something really cool coming in tomorrow that you guys would like. And if you're watching on any other social media platform, like it and share it to your friends. All right. Well, my number again is area code 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, thank you for watching MGM Classic Cars.